is to know how to talk to the computer.
Okay.
Before you have to go and learn how to program. You have to learn. Okay, let's say you want to go into web. You're going to start with HTML. You're going to do CSS, JavaScript, and all those things. You build yourself up. But now, what you need to learn now is prompting.
Today I'm here with Vic, a senior developer. So there are a lot of saying online about vibe coding, how vibe coding works, and many people would really want to go into vibe coding. You
Okay.
understand? Maybe know how to start, or maybe really understand what is vibe coding. So, can you break down in simple terms what is vibe coding?
Okay, the word vibe coding, it doesn't have any other meaning. The meaning of vibe and the meaning of coding
Okay,
coming together. That is what
okay,
vibe coding is.
okay,
So let me break that down. What is vibes?
okay,
Vibes is just like you like chilling, doing stuff that you like, places
okay,
that you want, all those kind of stuff. That's what
okay.
vibe is all about.
Just
You're trying to
like a kind of listening to music and
yeah, stuff
getting
like that.
okay,
So that's what vibe is all about.
okay,
Then we already know what coding is. Programming, encoding, all those stuffs, cryptography, computer related stuff, tech, that's what coding falls under. So now bringing the vibe, the playfulness,
o-
and the seriousness, you
okay.
bring it together. That's what
Yeah,
vibe
is
coding.
actually what is
Yes,
vibe
yes, that's
coding.
what is vibe coding.
Okay,
So now, in in terms that people that want to learn would understand this more, why is vibe coding becoming something everybody is talking about online? It's because it makes the work of programmers or newbies easier.
okay,
That's why it's getting very popular currently.
okay. Being that programming is somehow boring, right? You know, Abby.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
okay,
So
okay,
people now feel like we should talk about this so that we get more people into this space, not making it that difficult as it used to be again. You
okay.
talk to your computers with your natural language,
Language.
it responds to you in codes.
Okay,
You tell, you can just if you're coming into the vibe coding stuff, you get your ID which you want to write. You speak to your computer in plain terms.
okay,
You can just, although that is where prompting also comes in. That is
okay.
also another part of vibe code, but we're going to get to that
Exactly,
aspect. We're going
exactly.
to get to that.
Okay, so how do you like somebody that don't maybe you just heard about this, you
Yeah,
get right, you
yeah.
want to go into it, how do you start? From where? What tools do you need?
Okay, from the beginning, I will always direct everybody to YouTube first.
Okay,
Do your research. Are you sure this is what you want to do?
okay,
Yes, it's sweet too. I'm saying it, you like it. Go
okay.
and do your research. Listen to what other people also have
To
to
say
say about
about
vibe
it.
coding.
Okay,
Then, from my own point of view, I would say after you've done a little research, now we have ChatGPT now. It can give you full breakdown. So after you've done that, you start with your ID. You need a
okay,
laptop. Okay, that's one.
okay,
Then you get an ID that supports AI integration.
okay,
Like we have a VS Code, so you
okay,
can add co-pilots to it.
okay.
We have Cursor. Cursor is just ID, VS Code ID infused with AI.
Yeah. Okay, so all these vibe coding of a thing still
Yeah.
summarized to using AI to do
So
one or two, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
So now, you've gotten your IDE, you've gotten your laptop. Then the next step is to know how to talk to the computer.
Okay,
Before you have to go and learn how to program. You have to learn. Okay, let's say you want to go into web. You're going to start with HTML. You're going to do CSS, JavaScript, and all those things. You build yourself up. But now, what you need to learn now is prompting. The English word, the big word for it is called prompt engineering. You
okay,
have to understand how to talk to the computer, that's the AI agent, and get something proper out of it. We can be three here. You give us one task to talk to an agent, an AI agent. We would write three different stuff to solve the same
same problem.
problem, but we will get three different results
I get
because
that.
of how we three sounded.
Okay,
You get?
yeah,
So you have to understand what prompt engineering is. That is somewhere most people are lacking. So
okay,
I can build a product now, you will like it. You ask me which system do you use? You said you write this thing with with AI, right? I said yes. But when you see it, you'll be like, hi, I'm not sure you use AI to
Mm,
do this.
that's
That's
right.
just what prompt engineering
The
will help you.
difference
Yes,
is
in difference on in
knowing
outcome.
how to.
So another leverage that you're going to get as someone that is coming into vibe coding is to also understand what software engineering is. Because if you like, you jump into the vibe coding. I don't have issues with you. But at the end of the day, you still need to learn because there is a lot that you still need to
To learn
go
and
through
understand.
to get yourself to that level of understanding that, oh, yeah, this is I can now call myself that, yes, I am a vibe coder.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you very much for that. So, what we are saying is that the end product of all these things,
Yeah.
we are trying to bring up either products or one thing or the other to life, right?
Yes.
So that means I like the point you said. You need to go and do your research on YouTube so
Yes.
you understand what you want to achieve.
Yes.
So it's just like you really need to understand what you want to achieve,
Yes. Before you
right?
come into it.
What the vibe coding is all about
Yeah.
and all that. And can you just tell maybe people that really don't get it to know that vibe coding is about maybe you want to bring up a product?
Yeah.
Can you explain that?
Okay. So now I've had issues with working with some people that you tell me what you want, we said everything, but some of the issue now is you want it very fast.
Okay.
Or your financial budget, you don't have enough money to power whatever you want to build. There is something vibe coding has come to do,
Okay.
which is in that aspect.
Okay.
Number one is an idea person. You have an idea, right? You go and look at what people have done with vibe coding, and you want to now build that's your product, that idea you think you have that you want to deliver. You want to build it. You can get something up. It might not be how it is in your head
Mm, okay.
because you're just starting out, but you can get something up in small, like in a very short time, that's at least can get your idea to life within the shortest time.
Okay.
But if you want to go the developers route, the regular developers route, it might take you some time. We have a product like Lovable that helps very well with that. You
Okay.
just want to just rack up an MVP very fast. Maybe it was supposed to be a mobile app, but now you just want it to just be a web app that you can start with.
Okay.
You can just use something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's right. Okay. Thank you very much for coming around. I believe
Thank
we
you.
have more of this series on our channel.
Yes.
You can as well look into it, and of course, you make your choice. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.